How to attach the nozzles for a Karcher Electric Pressure Washer. Karcher Electric Pressure Washers come with various nozzles to direct the spray of water in different ways for different outdoor tasks. For example, you might want to change to a high-pressure nozzle to remove moss from your patio after you have finished cleaning your car with a softer spray nozzle. Changing the nozzle on your pressure washer is designed to be straightforward. You can easily complete the task in just a few seconds. Switch the pressure washer off by turning the power dial to the position marked 0. Twist the nozzle where it meets the trigger handle counterclockwise to detach it from the pressure washer. Insert the new nozzle into the trigger and turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Turn the pressure washer back on. The new nozzle is ready for use.